Hello everyone. So this is the part 5 of recording myself every day till I make it obvious that I'm learning communication skills. So today is not going to be a random storytelling part because I have saved that part to some other day. But for today, I'm going to tell you something more of a kind of article or some useful information that you can use for your own benefit. And what can be better than sharing my day all along? So yeah, that's a really nice thing to do actually, because in that sense I won't be striving for content, and at the end of the day I just have to wander all throughout my day whatever I have done and then just put it in front of all of you. So, talking about it, in the morning, as usual, I got up late. It's been a week since I've got on time. So, yeah, that was the time I got up at around 10 a.m. And then, as usual, the thing that I have been continuously doing for the past 10 days, I caught onto my speech practice. So that consisted of majorly three things. The first one is the tongue twisters. The second one is the exaggeration practice so that I can articulate things better. It helps me with my pronunciation actually. And the third thing is practicing pauses. So, a combination of practicing all these three things took me somewhere between 30 to 35 minutes. And after I was done, I was thinking that I will emphasize on reading vaccines from PSM today. But that didn't happen because I have been trying as hard to convince myself to get on to study because just 14 days are left for my pre-prof exams and I haven't touched even a single book. And not to talk about the forensic medicine whose complete unit I haven't even touched. So God knows how I'm going to cover all of these things. So let's come back. And then I was talking to X, and all things were going really good. And in the afternoon, I just dropped some text and then got some text from front end, back end. Seems like I'm discussing a coding class. Okay, so yeah, got something from the front, and then I thought of sleeping but I couldn't. So there was a movie which I was watching yesterday, so I completed that although it was in Malayalam language, and I watched it with the subtitles. So you can see me although I'm watching a movie, but I'm just focusing on watching the subtitles. So yeah, it was a really good story, and I ended it. And then afterwards, we had some beverages in the evening, and then the moment came when something different happened and X kicked me, like literally kicked me. So I was wandering into that thought and I was plunged into studying. I was continuously thinking of studying, but somehow or the other I wasn't able to. And then I hopped onto Netflix again. I watched another movie that is called The Meg, which revolved around the megalodon shark. And then yeah, that's all. And now I'm here recording this video. And so far, whatever I've recorded, I can see in the camera it's almost 4 minutes. I know I've done a lot of mistakes. I can sense it. I haven't been using pauses properly. I haven't been ending sentences on a low note. And although my articulation and pronunciation they have become very clear, but regarding speech, I still have to work a lot.